Today we're going to talk about zinc. Hot work on galvanized metal generates fumes when the metal reaches its boiling point. Fumes from galvanized metals contain zinc oxide, which can make the welder and others in the shop feel pretty sick. Here is some important information about zinc oxide, including safe work practices to help you protect yourself from getting sick when you're working around it. Zinc is a heavy metal substance found in galvanized metals. When it gets hot enough, it converts to zinc oxide, which humans can inhale. If zinc oxide is inhaled in large enough concentrations over a long enough period of time, it can result in zinc fume fever. Zinc fume fever, or metal fume fever, is a temporary illness that manifests itself in flu-like symptoms. Symptoms may include a fever, which rarely exceeds 102 degrees Fahrenheit, chills, nausea, dryness in the throat, cough, fatigue, aching head, and sometimes aching through the body. If the victim gets fresh air immediately, the symptoms rarely last more than 24 hours. However, that 24-hour period can be miserable. Prevention is a much better option. To help prevent overexposure to zinc oxide, make sure the work area has plenty of ventilation. An efficient local exhaust ventilation system may be all you need to reduce exposure to zinc oxide to safe levels. However, when local exhaust ventilation by itself is inadequate, use a point of operation ventilation system, such as a smoke eater. If a smoke eater is not available, use one or more large industrial fans to continuously move the fumes away from your breathing zone. When ventilation by itself is inadequate, you need to use a respirator. Never use a respirator before you've received the proper training, fit testing, and medical clearance. Always talk it over with your supervisor before you use a respirator. These are just some tips which are important for us to bear in mind, since we do encounter galvanized material from time to time and are obliged to weld on it.